Welcome to my YouTube channel. We're excited to have you here. Stay tuned for great content. Top 4 Best Wire Stripping Machine Review. Number 4. The automatic wire stripping machine is an electric and manual dual-use tool designed for efficiently stripping copper wires. It features a hand crank option, adjustable settings for various wire sizes, and is ideal for scrap recycling and cable peeling operations. This tool enhances productivity with its easy-to-use design and durable construction. Number 3. (1.5 to 38 mm) electric wire stripping machine cable peeler for copper scrap stripping diameter 750W. This 11-channel 10-blade electric wire stripping machine is equipped with a high-efficiency motor, so it has incredibly high work efficiency and an extensive wire stripping range. It is also designed with a protection mechanism composed of protective housing and emergency stop button. High-quality aluminum alloy material also brings better portability and durability. Number 2. Description: this upgraded cable stripper provides high efficiency and stable performance. This wire peeler is widely used for removing the plastic and rubber insulation from undamaged scrap wire. Are you tired of wire cutting blades becoming dull? Stop wasting time and money, make the switch and see what you've been missing out on. Number 1. The Viva 1.5 to 38 mm wire stripping machine is a powerful electric cable stripper designed for heavy-duty applications. With a 370W motor and 10 high-quality blades, it efficiently strips wires ranging from 1.5 mm to 38 mm in diameter. This machine operates on 220V 110V power, making it versatile for various work environments. Perfect for recycling and wire processing, it ensures smooth and quick stripping. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media, for more exciting content. Thank you for watching.